Thank you very much, member. We are going to recognize, the chair will recognize the leader of the third party next.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. I just start off by saying I'm a big proponent of virtual meetings, some of the avoided travel and emissions and the like. I'm still getting used to virtual attendance to this house. I have to say, I don't really enjoy it, so I'm looking forward to being there in person tomorrow, but it does seem to encourage brevity, so I'm going to honor that today. The third-party caucus supports the BC government on behalf of the taxpayers, recovering the cost of healthcare services to British Columbians as a result of, as has been discussed, wrongdoers, malpractice, or lack of full disclosure. We see these proposed amendments as intended to plug holes in the legislation that have become apparent since 2009, and they're supported by both myself and my colleague, the member from Saanich North and the Islands, and the House Leader of the third party. Namely, adding, as to repeat what's been discussed, adding a definition of uninsured defendant, clarification for waiver liability, and additional requirements for notification and information sharing. We understand these changes will also streamline and speed up court proceedings and settlements through greater clarity in the legislation. This is a big benefit not only to patients and victims, but also to the system as a whole and all its associated costs and impacts. One place where we believe streamlining to be a big advantage. This bill also speaks to one of the core responsibilities of government, which is fairness. It's something we'll be discussing all week, the concept of and the principle of fairness. It's part of a suite of measures that collectively make sure that wrongdoing does not damage a person's life beyond repair. It goes even further by making sure that it isn't taxpayers who are responsible for these costs, but rather the negligent party. This amendment clarifies the rights and responsibilities of both defendants and beneficiaries, reducing the risk of legal challenge and helping everyone understand what they're entitled to and what their responsibilities are. We applaud the amendments to make clear requirements around notifications and information sharing, and we look forward to getting into the details in committee stage debate. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.